Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137. Or you can continue to email us at Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. So Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The old telephone numbers are no longer our numbers. The new telephone number is 857-7137, and our email address is Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. You can have classes with us. You can either have class over the telephone or in person. To have class over the telephone, you would call us in WhatsApp. So call us in WhatsApp, give us a WhatsApp call to have class over the telephone. Class may be from half an hour or longer. Classes by telephone can be reading, PEP, or any grade of primary or prep school. So reading for adults, teenagers, or children. So you can have reading for adults, teenagers, or children by telephone classes. Or you can have PEP classes or classes for any grade of primary or prep school. Classes for telephone classes cost $2,000 per month. That's $2,000 per month. So telephone classes cost $2,000 per month, and you can pay for it at our Jamaica National account. Or you can have class in person. To have class in person, we can either go to your location or you can come to us in Portmore. To go to your location, it would cost $2,000 per class. That's $2,000 per class. Anywhere in Jamaica, anywhere in the island. Pay for it by our Jamaica National Bank account number. Or to have class with us, you would have class in Portmore on a Saturday. Classes last for 3 hours, either from 10 to 1 or 1 to 4. That class as in other persons. So to have class with us, you will come to us in Portmore on a Saturday from either between 10 to 1 or 1 to 4. And the class costs $1,000 per class. $1,000 per class. You are also encouraged to purchase my set of 50 GSAT past papers and practice tests with answers for only $4,000. That's only $4,000. You will receive the test by email. Pay Pay for it at any branch island-wide of Jamaica National Bank, account number 0011114402. That's account number 0011114402. Halfway Tree Branch, account holder's name Richard Sharp. Send me take take a photograph of your receipt and send it to me through WhatsApp as proof of your payment. You will see the test the day after you pay for them. Email me from the email address that you would like to get the test to. So email me at Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com from the email address that you would like to get the test sent to, and I will email the test to that email address. So remember that that Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137, And our email address remains as Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. Hi again. Welcome to another in the PEP Mathematics Summer Series compiled by Techno Teacher JA. This is question number 87 out of 150 questions. This question asks, write 26 and 1/4% as a fraction. The choices are A. 27 over 70, B. 105 over 4, C. 21 over 80, D. 27 over 4. Again, the question and choices are, write 26 and 1/4% as a fraction. The choices are A. 27 over 70, B. 105 over 4, C. 21 over 80, D. 27 over 4. Do you know how to convert percentages to fractions? Do you know how to convert percentages to fractions? I will give you about 1 minute to come up with your answer. After about 1 minute, my answer will come up. Then you'll have another minute before I come in again and explain my answer. Did you come up with the correct answer? Again, I will read the question and the choices, then I will read my answer and then explain my answer. Write 26 and 1/4% as a fraction. The choices are A. 27 over 70, B. 105 over 4, C. 21 over 80, D. 27 over 4. Now to read my answer. 26 1/4% is equal to 26 1/4 over 100. 26 1/4 divided by 100 over 1. 26 1/4 divided by 100 over 1 is equal to 105 over 4 divided by 100 over 1. 105 over 4 times 100 times 105 over 4 times 1 over 100 equal to 105 over 400. 105 over 400. Reduce this. 105 divided by 5 over 400 divided by 5. 105 divided by 5 is equal to 21. 400 divided by 5 is equal to 80. Is equal to 105 over 400 is equal to 21 over 80. Answer C. Now to explain my answer. 26 1/4 over 26 1/4% is equal to 26 1/4 over 100. Percent means over 100. Anytime you write percent, you always put it over 100. So 26 1/4% is 26 1/4 over 100. 26 1/4 over 100 means that you divide 26 1/4 by 100. 26 1/4 over 100 means that you divide 26 1/4 by 100. So 26 1/4 divided by 100 over 1. 26 1/4 divided by 100 over 1. Change 26 1/4 to an improper fraction. Change 26 1/4 to an improper fraction. 26 to do that, to change 26 1/4 to an improper fraction, you multiply the whole number by the denominator, then you add the numerator and put that back over the denominator. Again, to change 26 1/4 to an improper fraction, you multiply the whole number by the denominator, add the numerator, and put that back over the denominator. So 26 1/4 over 4 is equal to 26 times 4. 26 times 4 is 104 plus 1 is equal to 105. 26 times 4 is equal to 104. 104 plus 1 is equal to 105. And you put that back over 4. So 26 1/4 as an improper fraction is 105 over 4. 26 1/4 as an improper fraction is 105 over 4. Now, 105 over 4 divided by 100 over 1. 105 over 4 divided by 100 over 1. To divide a fraction by when you are dividing fractions, you change the division sign to a multiplication sign and turn the other fraction into the reciprocal. To divide fractions, you change the division sign to a multiplication sign and change the second fraction to the reciprocal. To change it to the reciprocal, you turn the fraction upside down. To change it to the reciprocal, you turn the fraction upside down. So 100 over 1 becomes 1 over 100. 100 over 1 as a reciprocal is 1 over 100. So 105 divided by 4, or 105 over 4 divided by 100 over 1. 105 over 4 divided by 100 over 1 is equal to 105 over 4 times 1 over 100. 105 over 4, 105, 105 over 4 divided by 100 over 1 is equal to 105 over 4 multiplied by 1 over 100. Let's multiply it across for simplicity. For simplicity, let's just multiply it across. 105 times 1 is equal to 105. 4 times 100 is equal to 400. Again, 105 times 1 is equal to 105. 4 times 100 is equal to 400. So now we have 105 over 400. 105 over 400. Let's reduce this. This can be reduced, so let's reduce it. When you're doing fractions, if the fraction can be reduced, you must reduce it to have your answer. For it to be the correct answer, you must reduce the fraction to its lowest term. To have the answer as the correct answer, you must reduce the fraction to its lowest term. So, to reduce 105 over 400 to its lowest term, we should find a common factor of 105 and 400. To reduce 105 over 400 to its lowest term, we should find a common factor of 105 and 400. A common factor of 105 and 400 is 5, as 5 can be divided into 105 without leaving a remainder, and it can also be divided into 400 without leaving a remainder. So 5 is a common factor of 105 and 400. So let's divide 105 over 400 by 5. Let's divide the numerator and the denominator by 5. 105 divided by 5 is equal to 5 into 1. We can't. 5 into 10 goes 2 times. 5 into 5 goes 1 time. That's 21. 5 into 105 is 21. So 5 into 105 is 21. Next, 5 into 400. 5 into 400. 5 into 4 we can't. Next, put the 4 beside the 0. 5 and it becomes 40. 5 into 40 goes 8 times. 5 into 40 goes 8 times. And 5 into 0 goes 0 times. 5 into 0 goes 0 times. So that's 80. 5 into 400 is 80 times. 5 into 400 is 80 times. So 105 becomes 21 and 400 becomes 80. 105 becomes 21 and 400 becomes 80. So therefore, 105 over 400 is equal to 21 over 80. 105 over 400 is equal to 21 over 80. Answer 21 over 80. Answer C. Answer 21 over 80. Answer C. I will give you about another minute to review my answer and to make sure that you understand both the question and the answer. and prepare for GSAT and PEP from early. Do not wait until it is just about 1 or 2 or 3 months away from the exam. Do not wait until your child does the mock exam, the mock test in December or in January or February to decide to get extra help or to get these tests to practice on and to listen to these videos. Do it from way ahead of the time. Do not wait until after Christmas to do these tests. If you are going to prepare for Christmas 3 months, if you're going to take 3 months to prepare for Christmas, you should take much longer than that to prepare for a test, okay? So, do not wait until it is too late to start preparing. Start preparing from now. Start preparing from before grade 4. I cannot stress that enough. Start preparing from before grade 4. Start preparing from now. Do not wait until it is late. Not that it is impossible to study for a test for 2 or 3 months. Take 2 or 3 months to prepare for a test and pass. But it depends on the person. Okay, it depends on how much the person knows already. Some students are way behind at 1 or 2 months before the test. So it's not a good idea to take chances. So start preparing from now. Start preparing from early. Start preparing from before grade 4. I know that you won't wait until the last minute to start preparing for GSAT or PEP, right? Yes, you won't wait until the last minute. You won't do that. You might, a student might wait, or a parent might wait until a student does the mock exam in December, January or February, and then he or she might fail 1 subject, 2 or 3 subjects, or all 4 or 5 subjects. They might get 60 or 70%, and just a little work might be needed to improve on that subject, or more than 1 subject in that at that grade. Or the student might get 20 or 30% and have guessed everything, and will need a lot of work to be done. So you're not going to do that. You're not going to be caught unprepared. You're not going to wait until the last minute. You're going to prepare from early. Start preparing from before grade 4. Start preparing from now. And don't forget that these GSAT tests are also suitable for primary exit profile, PEP. Subscribe to my channel to get updates of new videos that are available on YouTube as soon as they become available. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's free. Like and subscribe, and also you're invited to share my videos. So when you subscribe, when I upload a video, for instance, if the video you are watching is social studies part 2, when I upload social studies part 3, you will get a notification on your computer right away that I have uploaded social studies part 3, and you can go ahead and see the video. So go ahead, click that subscribe button right now. Thank you for watching. You should watch these GSAT videos over and over again until you know them from memory. Repetition is important. You can always message me if you have any questions or need further help using my email address, my Facebook page, or the telephone numbers that are shown on the screen. So bye bye for now. Bye bye.